Well, when it's not broke, why fix it? What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video here at the channel. I'm Aaron, coming at you from beautiful South Dakota, where today I'm gonna break down and share with you my 1 to 2 man lightweight cook set. Now, I've been using this for about 3 years straight without much modification. This thing comes in at just about a pound, including fuel canister, burner, as well as several utensils and this titanium pot. So I just want to share with you what these items are, why they just worked for me for the last few years, and whether or not they might make sense for you if you're wanting to build out a lightweight 1 to 2 man cook set. So we got to start out with the glue that holds it all together, which is my Toaks 750 milliliter titanium mug. What I love about this is that it's lightweight, made out of titanium. It's seen some great use over the years, has foldable handles that have really held up through the test of time, which makes it easy to slim down. It can nestle in a 32-ounce Nalgene and other water bottles like that, and it comes with a lid with a little stand-up hook to be able to grab, use, take the lid off, as well as venting ports to make it really easy to not only make the boiling process faster, but vent and pour off excess water if you're making soup or something like that. It also has graduations on the inside and outside of the container, so you can really see how much water you're pouring in there, and it's not a guessing game. And as an added bonus, it comes standard with this mesh bag that not only works as an oven mitt, but also houses 2 utensils that I regularly use. Now, before I show you those 2 utensils, I did melt this once when I got it super close to the flame and I wasn't paying attention. I'd love to replace this. So if you guys know how to get some sort of mesh baggie to hold everything together, that would be awesome. Let me know in the comment section below. But nestled around the titanium mug in that mesh baggie is my foldable ultralight MSR Spork. It's compact, works great, and gets the job done. Then at the bottom of the bag, I store with me my GSI pot cleaner. This is great for cleaning out oatmeal and other gunk that you might be cooking with that pot. It's rigid, hard polymer on one side and then a rubberized, moldable one on the other that really gets into all the nooks and crannies and cleans out your titanium mug. Now, as we truck right along, inside here, I've got my MSR Pocket Rocket 2.0. And why I've used this for so long is that it's got the MSR brand name behind it. It's not some knockoff you never heard of before. It comes in really lightweight at 2.6 ounces, throwing off 8,200 BTUs, and can usually boil a liter of water between 3.5 and 4 minutes. So it really works well for a setup like this, where the main focus and goal for me is boiling water to either purify it or get it going to make oatmeal, coffee, and dehydrated meals. But before we go any further in the video, I encourage you to hit that like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. And I invite you to subscribe here at the channel. Every week I'm throwing up content, giving you pros and cons, ins and outs of gear and equipment, so you know what to expect out of your gear and how to use your hard-earned money wisely. And I just want to invite you to become part of the Gideonstactical family that we have here that's growing all the time. And finally, I want to remind you of our hub link in the description box below. That will take you over to all of the affiliate programs that we regularly partner with here at the channel, where you can find the gear tested not only in this video, but other gear in general. It's free for you, and it helps continue to fuel the channel here and helps me continue to make content. And so with that, guys, let's go ahead and get back to it. Next up is my beloved Wildo Fold-A-Cup. Made in Sweden, dishwasher safe. This thing pops up and is perfect for about a 10-ounce cup of coffee. You can easily get 1 pack of instant oatmeal in here, and works perfectly and is so lightweight and so compact that it gives you a secondary reservoir for fluids, liquids, or food, and can still fit inside and nestle inside that titanium cup. Big shout out to all of you Scandinavian Air Force veterans that regularly get issued those folded cups, and I know you guys love them. Well, you got to get that burner lit somehow, and I always carry 2 different ways to do that. The first one is a fire starter, where you can strike it and throw a spark and get that thing going right away. Then nestled in there, you got to have your fuel. So we got our 7.4 ounce fuel canisters. That's the mini ones, will easily fit in there. Pro tip, if you are looking for a way to figure out how much fuel you have left, drop this in a little cup of water, and it actually has little markers on the side to give you, when it has buoyancy, how much fuel you have left. It took me years to figure that out, but now I know, and I want to pass that knowledge on to you. And then nestled right underneath that, secondary way to start a fire and get that burner lit a mini Bic lighter. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope that this video has been fun and entertaining, giving you the data that you need when you're building out your cook sets. And I invite you to leave a comment below if there's a piece of kit that you think I need to add to my setup that might make my cooking experience in the outdoors even more enjoyable. Again, I invite you guys to subscribe, check out the other video popping up, and until next time, always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared, and I'll see you out there.